good day. I, Shreya from JSGC Global Bulletin, is here to present school news. St. Amar Jaipuriya School Goel Campus holds investiture ceremony. On 13th August 2024, St. Amar Jaipuriya School Goel Campus celebrated its annual investiture ceremony, an event that signifies the official appointment of new student leaders for this academic year. The ceremony was honored by the presence of chief guest, Professor Vinod Solanki, former head of English Department DDU, former director of HRDC UGC, and a member of Executive Council at the University of Tripura. The event was also graced by the Managing Director Mr. Mahesh Agrawal, Chairman of Goel Group of Institutions, and Principal Dr. Reena Pathak. Professor Solanki, Mr. Agrawal, addressed the gathering, offering words of encouragement and inspiration to the newly appointed council members. Professor Solanki highlighted the importance of leadership and personal growth, while Mr. Agrawal underscored the values of dedication and teamwork. The ceremony featured a touching performance by the school's music teacher, who sang a song written by the talented student Nisha Pandey. The special performance added a memorable and emotional element to the occasion. Ceremony also saw the announcement of key student positions. Akhil Ocha, Senior Wing, and Ayan Shukla, Junior Wing, were appointed as head boy, and Aditi Singh, Senior Wing, and Daksha Srivastav, Junior Wing, were named head girl. Other student leaders include the school prefect, sports captain boys and girls, and house captain along with their vice captains. The new roles also introduce positions such as discipline in charge, cultural secretary, peer educator, sustainable ambassador, traffic in charge, well-being in charge, and members of the school editorial board. Parents and faculty were present to witness the ceremony, celebrating the achievements and new responsibilities of student leaders. The investiture ceremony not only marks the beginning of a new chapter for these young leaders, but also reinforces the school's commitment to fostering leadership and responsibility. The ceremony concluded with a vote of thanks delivered by Principal Dr. Reena Pathak, who expressed her gratitude to all the guests, parents, and staff for their support and involvement in making the event memorable success. Independence Day celebration at St. Amar Jaipuriya School Goel Campus. St. Amar Jaipuriya School Goel Campus celebrated Independence Day with a vibrant 3-day event from August 13 to August 15, 2024, under the theme Har Ghar Tiranga. Just under the theme Har Ghar Tiranga. The celebration commenced on August 13 with an investiture ceremony where students took an oath of responsibility accompanied by patriotic songs, performances, and various cultural programs. This initial day set a tone for a meaningful commemoration of India's freedom. On August 15, the focus shifted to the creativity and expression through the poster-making competition. Students displayed their artistic skills and patriotic spirit by designing posters that reflected the essence of Independence Day. This was complemented by additional cultural events, which included performances and skits that highlighted India's rich cultural heritage and importance of unity. The final day, August 15, began with the ceremonial hosting of the national flag, a moment of pride and reverence. Following this, students performed lively dances, sang patriotic songs, adding a festive atmosphere to the occasion. The day's activities culminated with a motivational message emphasizing the importance of collective efforts in the nation's development. The event underscored the commitment and the fostering a sense of national pride and responsibility among the students, encouraging them to contribute to the country's progress. Thank you.
सर्वान नमामि मम नाम अन्वेषा JSGC ग्लोबल बुलेटिन तथा विद्यालय से वार्ता प्रस्तुत करोमि। सेठ अमार जयपुरिया विद्यालय गोयल परिसरे अगस्त मासस्य 13 दिनाङ्के आयोजितायाम् अलङ्करण कार्यक्रमे मुख्य अतिथिरूपेण उपस्थिताः आसन् सम्माननीय प्रोफेसर विनोद सोलांकी महोदया, या अड्लङ्ग विभागस्य विभागप्रमुखः आसन्। एताः महोदया त्रिपुरा विश्वविद्यालयस्य HRDC UGC संस्थायाः पूर्वनिर्देशकरूपेण कार्यरताः आसन्। इतोपि विराजमानी आसन् गोयल ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन इनस्य प्रबंध निर्देशकः श्रीमान महेश अग्रवाल महोदया एवं उपस्थिताः आसन्। अस्माकं छात्रा स्वतन्त्रदिवसस्य सारं प्रतिबिम्बयन्तः पोस्टराणि चित्राङ्कनं कृत्वा स्वस्य कलात्मक कौशलं देशभक्तिभावना च प्रदर्शितवन्तः। एतस्य पूरकत्वेन अतिरिक्तसांस्कृतिककार्यक्रमाः अभवन्, येषु भारतस्य समृद्धसांस्कृतिकविरासताम्, एकतायाः महत्त्वं च प्रकाशयन्तः प्रदर्शनानि नाटिकाः च आसन्। अन्तिमदिवसः अगस्तमासस्य 15 दिनाङ्के राष्ट्रध्वज अनुष्ठानेन राष्ट्रस्य विकासे सामूहिकप्रयत्नस्य महत्त्वं बोधयन् प्रेरकसन्देशेन दिवसस्य कार्यकलापानां पराकाष्ठा अभवत्। आयोजनेन छात्राणां मध्ये गौरवस्य उत्तरदायित्वस्य च भावः पोषयितुं प्रतिबद्धतां रेखाङ्कितुं देशस्य प्रगतेः योगदानं दातुं प्रोत्साहयितुं च। आयोजनेन छात्राणां मध्ये राष्ट्रगौरवस्य उत्तरदायित्वस्य च भावः पोषयितुं प्रतिबद्धतां रेखाङ्कितं देशस्य प्रगतेः योगदानं दातुं प्रोत्साहयितुं च। धन्यवाद।
Greetings of the day. I, Ishan Agarwal from JSGC Global Bulletins is here to present national news. Number 1. Sandeep Ghosh grilled by CBI faces more trouble as Bengal government form SIT. Number 2. Rain lashes parts of Delhi NCR. IMP issue, importance issue, alerts for UP, Uttarakhand and more. Number 3. No ifs and buts. BJP ally Chirag Paswan opposes Modi government's UPSC lateral entry move. Number 4. India prepare as global monkeypox cases rise. Hospitals air monkeypox cases rise. Hospitals airport alerted 10 points. Number 5. Udaipur teen succumbs to stabbing injuries after 4 days. Police deployed in sensitive areas. Number 6. CRPF Jawan killed during encounter in Udhampur. Number 7. Congress accuses BJP government of handing out jobs to RSS supporters via lateral entry into bureaucracy. Number 8. West Bengal student arrested for social media post calling for Mamata Banerjee assassination. Number 9. Mia accounts announces PM Modi's visit to Ukraine on August 23. Number 10. Back-to-back earthquake hit Jammu and Kashmir, Baramulla region. Thank you.
नमस्कार। अद्य अहम् अफशीन खान JSGC ग्लोबल बुलेटिन से भारतदेशस्य 20 जुलै इतः 16 अगस्त पर्यन्तं प्रमुखवृत्तान्तानां संक्षिप्तं प्रकाशयामि। प्रथमम्, 15 अगस्तस्य स्वातन्त्र्यदिन प्रभाषणां प्रधानमन्त्रिणा नरेन्द्र मोदिना भाषणम्। अस्मिन् भाषणे स्त्रीसुरक्षायाः महत्त्वं, धर्मनिरपेक्षनागरिकसंहितायाः प्रस्तावः उल्लिखितः, बलात्कारेभ्यः विरुद्धं कठोरकार्याणि स्थापितानि, तथा राष्ट्रीयसुरक्षायाः गौरवं तथा च भारतं विश्वे महत्त्वं प्राप्नुवन्ति। द्वितीयम्, एकरूप्यनागरिकसंहितायां न्यायालयस्य सिद्धान्तः, यद् भारतदेशस्य उच्चतमन्यायालयेन निश्चितम्। इयं सिद्धान्तः देशस्य ऐक्यम् अखण्डतां च प्राप्नुवन्ति, व्यापकवादप्रतिवादं जनयति। तृतीयम्, उत्तरशाम्यां प्लावनानि तथा तारककार्याणि। अस्मादिस्थानेषु अतिवृष्टा प्रजा सहस्राणां स्थानकान्तरं नीयते। केन्द्र सर्वकार राज्यसहायेन महता प्रयासचतुष्टया प्रवृत्तवता। चतुर्थं, चन्द्रयान-3 कृत्यस्य साफल्यं यद् 20 अगस्ते चन्द्रतलभूमिषु साफल्यं प्राप्यते, भारतं चतुर्दशस्य स्थानं प्राप्नुवन्ति। एषा सम्पदा सूर्यसाक्षिकार्यस्य महत्त्वं स्थितम्। पञ्चमं, पश्चिमबङ्गालराज्यस्य राजनैतिककलकलं यदा अनेकानां राजकीयमन्त्रिणां प्रति दूषणं प्रादुर्भूत, राजसर्कारेण प्रबलं क्षोभसहितं प्रतिवादः प्रवृत्तः। षष्ठं, कोलकातायां घोरं दारुणिकं कार्यं यस्मिन् चिकित्सालय एकस्य साहसप्रकाशस्य माधुर्य जाता, यस्मात् देशे प्रबलं रोषः जागृतः। प्रदर्शनं विविधन्याय तथा प्रायश्चित्तकार्येषु प्रतिबद्धानां चकार। धन्यवादः।
from JSGC Global Bulletin is here to present international news. Number 1. Ukraine has set up military administrative office in Russia's western Kursk region, where its surprise incursion into Russian territory continues, according to its top military commander. Number 2. Kazakhstan takes lead in global push for nuclear disarmament aimed heightened tensions. Number 3. Asian trading saw significant rise in oil prices, fueled by growing concerns over tightening global supply amidst escalating conflicts in the Middle East and between Russia and Ukraine. Number 4. Olympics 2024 was held in Paris, France, from July 26 to August 11. Number 5. World Cancer Day is celebrated on August 1, and the theme of the World Cancer Day 2024 was Close the Care Gap. Everyone deserves access to cancer care. Number 6. The International Day of the World's Indigenous Peoples is observed on August 9th every year, and the theme of World's Indigenous People Day 2024 was protecting the rights of indigenous people in voluntary isolation and initial contact. Number 7. World Hepatitis Day, celebrated on 28th of July, had the theme It's Time for Action. Number 8. The contest for most gold medals at the Paris Olympics 2024 ended in a 40-40 tie between China and the United States. Number 9. United States topped the medals table with a whopping 126 overall compared to 91 for China. Thank you.
नमस्कार, अहम JSGC ग्लोबल बुलेटिनतः अंशिका सिंह राठौरः अस्मि। अघ अन्तर्राष्ट्रीयवार्ताः प्रस्तुतं करिष्यामि। यूक्रेन देशेन रूसस्य पश्चिमे कुर्स्क क्षेत्रे सैन्यप्रशासनकार्यालयः स्थापितः, यत्र रूसी क्षेत्रे तस्य आश्चर्यजनकः आक्रमणः निरन्तरं वर्तते इति तस्य शीघ्रस्य नैशन्नपिता उक्तम्। कजाकिस्तान देशः वर्धमानत्वास्य मध्यम परमाणुनिस्त्रीकरणस्य वैश्विकप्रयासस्य नेतृत्वं कुर्वन् अस्ति। अद्यतनवार्ता अत्रैव समाप्तं भवति। शुभदिनं, धन्यवाद।
Greetings of the day. Today, I, Shri from JSGC Global Bulletin, is here to present the weather report. The sky was densely clouded from July 20 to 23 with frequent rain and the occasional heavy shower. Wind will be mild from the south with temperature ranging from 28 to 30 degrees Celsius during the daytime and 22 to 24 degrees Celsius at night. From July 24 to 27, the sky will remain mostly cloudy with moderate rain and westward wind, while prevail with temperature between 26 to 29 degrees Celsius during the daytime and 21 to 23 degrees Celsius at night. From July 28 to 31, expect very dense cloud, heavy continuous rain and possible thunderstorm will cool west to west-south wind and temperature ranging from 24 to 27 degrees Celsius at daytime and 20 to 22 degrees Celsius at night. In August 1 to 5, expected heavy rain was slightly sunshine with southeast wind and the temperature between 25 to 28 degrees Celsius during the daytime and 21 to 24 degrees Celsius at night. From August 6 to 9, the rain was decreased but the sky remained cloudy with light rain in some of the areas during the evening time. The temperature ranging from 24 to 26 degrees Celsius during the daytime and 20 to 22 degrees Celsius at night. Finally, from August 10 to 12, cloud will thin out, allowing from occasional sunshine with temperature ranging from 23 to 27 degrees Celsius at daytime and 19 to 21 degrees Celsius at night. Overall expected continuous rain during this period, especially in the last week of July and the first week of August, with lighter rain in the third week, though cloud will persist. Thank you.
जुलाई मास
28 से 31 इतेषु अन्तिमने मेघा अतिसघना भविष्यन्ति वृष्टिरां निरन्तरं क्री भविष्यति कतिचित् स्थलेषु मुसलधारया वृष्टिः अपि भविष्यति यत्र विद्युत् गर्जनम् अपि सम्भाव्यते वातः पश्चिम दक्षिणदिशात् वहिष्यति यं शीतल भविष्यति तापमानं दिनदर्शने 24 से 27 अंश भविष्यति रात्रौ तापमान 20 से 22 अंशेषु भविष्यति। अगस्त मास 1 से 5 अगस्त मासस्य प्रथम सप्ताहे अधिकं वृष्टिरां भविष्यति आकाशे सूर्यस्य दर्शनम् अल्पं भविष्यति केवलं कतिचन धनेषु एव वातः दक्षिणपूर्वत् वा भविष्यति या मध्यवेग वा मन्दं भविष्यति तापमानं दिनदर्शने 25 से 28 अंश भविष्यति रात्रौ 21 से 24 भविष्यति आर्द्रता पूर्ण अत्यधिकं भविष्यति यस्मात् जनसत्का भविष्यन्ति वातावरणं गुरुतरं वा भरं भविष्यति। अगस्त मास 6 से 9 इतेषु दिनेषु वृष्टिः मन्दं भविष्यति तथापि मेघाच्छादनम् आकाशस्थिरं भविष्यति कतिचित् स्थलेषु सन्ध्यासमये मन्दं वृष्टिः। अगस्त मास 10 से 12 इतेषु अन्तिमे दिनेषु आकाशे मेघाच्छादनं मन्दं भविष्यति कतिचित् स्थलेषु सूर्यदर्शनं करिष्यति वृष्टिः न्यूनं भविष्यति तथापि वातः शीतलं वा सामान्यं भविष्यति तापमानं 23 से 25 अंशेषु भविष्यति रात्रौ 19 से 20 अंशेषु स्थितिः भविष्यति वातावरणं सुखदं भविष्यति यत् आर्द्रता अपि मन्दं भविष्यति। धन्यवादः।